As hard as it is,
Success can only be attained through one skill. It can only be attained through one characteristic in a person, and the rest don't really even matter. You see, the ultimate key to success is discipline. The ultimate key to success is getting up after you've been knocked down. Listen, it's inevitable. Life will knock you down many times. Life is a journey, and throughout this journey we have speed bumps. Throughout these journeys we have peaks, but we also have valleys. And it's our ability to transverse those peaks and to transverse those valleys that will ultimately lead us to success or failure. And between those peaks and valleys, we have a number of choices. We could either take route A or route B or route C. The choices are almost infinite, but each choice that you make in your life will determine if you're successful or not. But the choice that you need to be making right now is to stay disciplined. It doesn't matter what you're going through right now. It doesn't matter the challenges that you're facing right now, the circumstances that you find are in right now. The circumstances aren't what matter. It's how you respond to those circumstances. See, there are many examples of people who've been through the worst of circumstances, who've been through the worst and worst of pain, but yet they still came out on top. And why is that? There's no magic formula and there's no secret. The secret is discipline. And the secret is, irrespective of that trauma or that challenge that they went through, they still made it work. They still got up every single day and decided, you know what? I don't care how I feel. I'll work irrespective, because no one is coming to save me. No one is going to do this for me. No one is going to come to me and give me everything that I want. It's up to you. You need to be willing to stand up, look in the mirror, and ask yourself this one question. How bad do I really want success?